Meet Magical Souls and welcome back to another magical video. I'm super excited to get into this video. I ordered the Boxy Charm box, guys, so I wonder what's going to be in here. I really wanted some new concealer, but I didn't want to go out and buy some, so I'm like, why not just order this? Get a bunch of makeup, give some stuff to my mom for Mother's Day, and enjoy some other things I want, like a concealer. So I'm curious what's going to be in here. Hopefully some skin serum, some makeup remover, I don't know. I'm excited, guys, but it's in here. Ooh, oh, I guess because of St. Patrick's Day. Happy belated St. Patrick's Day to all my Irish viewers out there. I'm a little bit Irish myself. There's a really cute, there's the cute shamrocks everywhere, guys, shamrock coins, and it looks like they even have some little dice in there that look like they're jade. It just looks so cute. So there's a bunch of information on the card that I'll read later, guys. But let's see what's in the Luxe Boxy Charm box, because that's what this one is. It's the Luxe box. Whoa, so it looks like we got a huge a Barbarella eyeshadow palette. So let's see what this looks like. And I think one of these, in one of the subscriptions, I ordered another one, guys. The shades look pretty. I might keep one and try to do like those House of Night marks on me, do those vampire marks, but this one has a bunch of neutrals in here, which is pretty cool, so I think my mom's gonna like this to do some neutral eyeshadow, and then even my sister might like it too. I bought her the Kylie Jenner eye palette, so I don't know if you guys can see, but they're very beautiful. I won't swatch it because this will be part of my mom's Mother's Day gift. I got her some Bath & Body Works lotion, and I kind of want to put together a little kit for her, so some things I don't want, it'll be perfect to add to that. And I think the value you get in these boxes seem good from everyone's reviews, so let's see what else is in here. It says, Hello Charmer. It's so cute. I like how it says Boxy Charm, you know, being all witchy. I got my little witchy vanity behind me. That's for aesthetics, because I don't really use it too much. Ooh. Okay, guys, it looks like we got this big hair mask. It says Rose and Quartz hair mask, so I wonder what this smells like. It's got a slight perfume scent, guys, so I think this is cool for people who need to help repair their hair if they dye it, and it needs a little bit of hydration, so I think this will be very beneficial, and it's cute. Packaging's cute. You get a lot of products, so I think that's really cool. It says there's zero sulfate, sodium chloride, and all this other stuff I don't care about, but that seems cool. And it looks like one of the biggest things in here is what? Ooh, I see something by Fenty Beauty. What's this by Rihanna? I love Rihanna, so let's see. There's this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Pro Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. What? In shade 360. Okay, guys. The value for this box is amazing. Already the fact that I just have a Fenty Beauty foundation that just blows this box away, and this eyeshadow palette, like, oh my god, the quality for this, guys, is amazing. I am so happy. So, let's see what the foundation looks like. Oh, I'm excited, guys. So what? This is crazy. This is a Fenty Beauty foundation. This is in Soft Matte Longwear Foundation, which is awesome because I picked the matte foundation so I don't get too oily. Oh my god, guys, just from looking at this looks like my skin tone and the foundation I get. Boxy Charm, you guys are doing amazing. I am so happy, and I guess I might have to keep my subscription with you guys. I was gonna do it for 1 month and just get the concealer I needed, but oh my god, this foundation looks so good, guys. A foundation by Rihanna, that's so cool. And I like how it's actually my shade. For them to have gotten that right by me taking a quiz as a customer, I'm blown away. And it looks like we got this makeup brush too, guys. It's a makeup brush by Kat Von D. This is the Edge Foundation Brush. Oh, this is so cool, guys. Kat Von D sounds like a baddie. I kind of heard of her, and to have a makeup brush by her, like, that's so cool. And I love how it's sharp right here. It reminds me of Christian Louis Vuitton and just gives me that witchy vibe that I love. I know she's like a tattoo artist or something. So this is so cool. You get like a awesome foundation brush and foundation so you can do your makeup. This is so cool, guys. My cat's looking at this. She's happy. I'm so happy. I'm just loving everything I'm getting right now, guys. And this is, I guess, the Luxe box. So this is crazy. What else did I get? I got a creamy fill and define lip liner. So this will definitely be going to my mom or my sister. And this is like in a cute nude shade, guys. I'll let you see it. This is like a cute nude color right here, so I'm sure they'll love that. It's like a lip liner. I think this is really neat, guys, because if you like have a family and you want to like chip in, if you're like sisters or whatever, and you guys want to like chip in money, it would be cool because you get so much value for it. Let's say your sister really wants foundation, but the other sister already has her foundation down and she doesn't want to try new stuff and she wanted eyeshadow. Like, this is so cool to share stuff in this box, guys. The Plump Hyaluronic Serum. Deep Hydration and Glow, Hydration Intense. This is cool, guys. So this is a concentrated formula, your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. The silky water gel serum features a unique blend of 3 types of plum, which includes vitamin C. Okay, I'm already liking this, guys, and I feel like I need my knife to open this. I'm gonna go grab it real quick. So just to have a pocket knife, I think is cool, guys, and some shady things happen in my area, so you never know if you gotta be safe. So I got me a little pocket knife, and I just love this because I can just cut what I need when I open packages. So let's see this serum. This is cool, guys. My skin has a dry problem sometimes, and I think this was a cool thing I got to pick, and my sister told me I should get this. So this looks cute. It's like a little potion. This goes with my witchy vibe. Do you guys see my little witchy vanity? Oh, I love this. This is cool. I'm very happy, guys, because my skin gets dry, so this will help bring back some moisture to my face. Okay, this box is just so cool. I would definitely recommend getting the BoxyCharm box, guys, but okay. One thing so far, I just like got this and this came out already. Whatever this product was, I don't think it's used. That could have been because of shipping, but it didn't look like this was screwed on. This is the Kiss Stars 24 karat little plumping mask. And if I'm honest, I can't tell if this looks used or if because of air pressure it got shipped to the mountains, this just came off. But that was kind of like, I don't know. But overall, I'm very happy with this box, and this is so cool. It's a 24 karat gold lip plumping mask. So I think it's cool how there's real gold in it, but I don't need my lips plump, so my sister might like this. I don't think my mom will, but that's so cool and bougie. And the last thing I'm getting is a facial massager. What, guys? I feel like my back needs massaging, not my face, but oh my god, I am so excited. What is this gonna be? Is it gonna be like a Duval spin brush like Gabby DiMartino always talks about? What? I think this is from that same brand. Okay, there's like cardboard down here. There's nothing in it. So this is a facial massager. These look like maracas. Or like little bongs or something. What? Okay, so this is a facial massager. I'm assuming this is something you guys like put in the fridge and it's cooling and you use different pieces to help like depuff your face maybe. Let me read what this is. So this is a Sonage Furrows Icy Globes Facial Massager. The Furrows Icy Globes Facial Massager stimulates blood circulation, helping depuff the face and eye area, reduces breakout, shrinks pores, and minimizes the appearance of face lines and wrinkles. So it says Ice Globes Facial Massager, so I need to read more info if there's instructions, but I kind of don't see any really in here, guys. The box, it says gently glide the globe over the face in a clockwise circular motion. Repeat around the eye area and the areas with redness or blemishes. Repeat each movement 5 to 6 times. To boost your self-care routine, place your ice globes in the refrigerator approximately 15 minutes before use. So, honestly, oh, so you only do it 5 to 6 times around your face. Okay, cool. This is doable. I could totally try this out. It feels like glass right here. This is neat. This is like the Jade Rollers for your face, so rose quartz rollers. This will be something cool to try out. I'm honestly excited because I know a lot of people said things like those really work, and on its own, they said that was $60, guys. The rose quartz hair mask was $31. The Fenty Beauty foundation was $36. The Glow Recipe Plum Serum was $42. The B Beauty London Barbarella Eyeshadow Palette was $50 worth in value. So I'll add everything right here for the total cost because I know people love seeing the total cost right here. So I'll add everything up. Alright guys, I just asked Siri what everything would cost and I added everything up. It'll cost $313 worth in value. If I'm honest, I'm just so happy, guys. Like, I need to make sure how much I was charged because I thought I was just getting the normal BoxyCharm box and this one. So I think I just got the Luxe first, and I'm honestly so shocked about the value. I'm so happy because, like, My mom will love this. She could use the new eyeshadow palette, or my sister can experiment with makeup and love it. And to have this serum, it's going to be great for my face. Like, the quality in this is amazing. If I'm honest, my two favorite things is probably going to be having a new foundation brush and having this foundation. But I really wanted a concealer, but a good quality foundation. I might not need it too much, so I will be on the lookout for getting a new concealer. But I also ordered an Ipsy box, and I think I'm getting the big one and the small one, and it's cool that Ipsy and BoxyCharm are in the same corporation, like the same company owns each other. I am just like honestly so excited, guys. I'm sorry, I'm really itchy right here, but I'm blown away. Thank you, BoxyCharm. I went ahead and purchased this box myself, guys, and I'm in love with it, and I'm so happy. Maleficent's knocking over my candle. Good thing it's not lit. She's attacking it. Long story short, I'm really excited with my BoxyCharm box. Like, the value for my money, I'm happy. Certain people are gonna love certain things I'm gonna gift them, and other things that like I want, I'm gonna love for myself. So I'm so excited. Thank you so much, BoxyCharm, for making an amazing charm box. This is the Luxe edition, and I'm very happy with it. So you guys should definitely check them out if you haven't already, and try them out for a month. It would be super cool. And while we're hauling things, I have my new little triquetra necklace, this new velour set, and I got the pants. I'm loving it. And yeah, guys, I hope you're doing well. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you're notified for all of my future videos. And like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys all be blessed and rejuvenated in your loving embrace. May it be as above, so below. Merry meet, merry part, merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.